Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before starting, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery to prevent any electrical surprises. You will need basic hand tools, including 15mm and 13mm sockets, along with a ratchet and extensions. The starter is generally found on the passenger side of the engine, close to the transmission bell housing. Being prepared makes the job much smoother. Once your safety precautions are in place, it's time to gain access to the starter. Use a floor jack to raise the front of your Jeep Grand Cherokee and secure it firmly with jack stands. For some models, removing the front passenger wheel can provide much-needed clearance. Now, look for the starter motor. You'll see two main mounting bolts and the electrical connections that power the unit. With the starter now accessible, the next step is to remove the old unit. First, disconnect the main power cable, usually held by a 13mm nut, and then detach the smaller wiring harness. Next, use a 15mm socket to remove the two main mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine's bell housing. Due to limited space, carefully wiggle and maneuver the old starter out of its position. Now, let's install your new starter. Carefully guide the new starter into place and hand-tighten the two 15mm mounting bolts. Once secure, reconnect the electrical harness and then the main power cable, tightening its 13mm nut. Reinstall any components you removed for access, like the wheel, and safely lower your vehicle. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test your new starter to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.